Right guys, so that is the original footprint of the house. That's the bathroom, that's the back room, and that was the kitchen up to that wall there. This is the existing floor plan. As you can see, we had 2 bedrooms on the right hand side. We had a main hallway which led into the bathroom. We had a big lounge on the front left, a rear sitting room, and then the kitchen. On the existing plan drawing, Natasha has identified me as a little red dot so you can see where I'm filming from. Here are some images of what it looked like before we started the extension, and in this photo you'll see I've taken the end wall out for the kitchen, ready for the foundations. Planning was accepted in February 23 and we got all the paperwork sorted, ready for May 2023. Here are the proposed plans which are now in action. The hallway is extended all the way through, which will be into the extension, that is the kitchen diner. We've got the 2 bedrooms on the front. We've decided to split the old bedroom at the back into 2 rooms, which are utility and the bathroom. And then we also have a nice little snug area where we hope to have a log burner fire. And here's the side-by-side existing and proposed plans for you to look over. The existing property was approximately 68 square meters. The extension we are adding onto the rear is about 35 square meters. So we've basically added 50% of the original size onto the property. I think the plan for tonight will be just remove that door there, remove the window, and start taking this section of brickwork down. The house is now completely empty because we are living in the office.
So that's the stud wall, so that will be coming out eventually. This is where the kitchen was. I'll pop some photos up of where the kitchen used to be.
These are the estate agent photos of the kitchen, and this is the rear sitting room. As you can see, the property was in really bad condition when we viewed it.
And here's what it looks like inside. So this is the new, what's it called, RSJ? Steel work that goes all the way through. And yeah, we haven't done anything inside now in a few months because obviously we've been trying to get the roof done. Before we start, do a little tour. So here's the chimney breast. So this was the dining room. Again, back there. And then here's the door. This will eventually be blocked up. But as you come through the hallway, so this is where we were in the last video. We were taking down the ceiling inside because there's going to be a new skylight. Can't really see, you can see the outline of it here, where that's going to be going. So yeah, this is what it's looking like at the moment. While I'm in here, wondering if any of you guys have an opinion. So these are the existing rafters there. We are wondering whether we should, with the new rafters, you can see them higher up there, we're wondering whether we should have a vaulted ceiling or whether we should put it back flat. If anybody has any opinions, please let us know. What's your opinion, Rhys? Vaulted or not vaulted?
Vaulted.
Yeah, we are liking the idea of vaulted, but I think we'll really get an idea of the space when this ceiling, the old ceiling, comes down and the walls come out and everything.
Step 1, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you want to be. Step 4, everybody just do you.
Right guys, Rhys is going to make a run up there for the lump hammer. He was using a bit of wood, which I said he was stupid to do. So I forced him up there. I did say I would go, to be fair. Hey.
Today's gonna be a good day. Wake up. Today's gonna be a good day. Yo, set your affirmations, aspirations. I got shit to do, the aftermath of preparation. Good food, good mood, blood in circulation. One step at a time, yeah, that's how you make it. Set a goal you control and the steps you take them. I try to pick one thought, have some concentration. And if I make a mistake, it's called education. I try to do this every day, call it replication. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up.
Right guys, so the window's now out, this bit of the wall's down, this section is easy with the lump hammer, just brick, brick, brick. But now we've got the concrete windowsill which is running the whole width, and it's like 2 courses of brick high. So this is going to be fun to try and knock all the brick out and try and push it over.
We made a bit of mess, but it's okay. We're keeping all the bricks and stuff to use as hardcore, aren't we? And we have somebody that's been collecting them because they're building. What are they building?
They're using it as a footpath.
So there you go.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up. good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. So life ain't easy, yo, I think there's a reason though. Ups and downs, just like every different season, yo. Sometimes I'm high, other times I'm barely breathing, though. I always gotta fight and hide from the demons, yo. Negative thoughts are poison, they rot. Head full of thoughts, so here come the clouds. They'll never stop unless I can swap all the bad for the good in my head when I'm lost. Yeah, so I'ma fake it till I make it. Positive thoughts are overtaken, I got patience. One day at a time is how you operate a cadence. You flow, you grow, you show yourself a foundation. Stay away from all the shit that causes temptation. I know that I like to do it cause it's sensation. I live my life in my head like a narration. Don't expect greatness, do my best, man, I'll take it. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up.
Okay guys, so as you can see, windows out, walls down, doors gone. We're down to DPC level, which there is none. There's not even any slate in this, so I'm wondering if we maybe put some sort of tar, bitumen, DPC that's eroded. But the next step will be take this wall out and take the roof out here. So we're left with the new structure above. And then once we have that out, we are going to dig all this floor out, and it's got to go below this level down here because this is all hardcore, and we need to go another 150mm down so we can continue the hardcore in here, and then we can put our blinding sand, our concrete installation and screed all in one big L shape, so all the extension is tied into the existing building. So yeah, that's the plan.
I'll just show you guys from this angle. Oh, it actually looks quite small from here. Well done. Job done. That took us, what, 2 hours?
2 hours-ish.
2 hours after work. A nice easy one today. As, yeah, still raining, so we can't get on the roof. So, yeah. It's a little update of where we're at. Right guys, it's the next day now after we took the wall out. It's the daytime. I'm working from home, so I thought I would quickly show what it looks like now that we've knocked her out. It's quite hard to see in the dark because of the blinking yellow lights that we got in here, but I'll stand back. A little bit glary. But yeah, as you can see, this will be coming out. And then there'll be a nice big open plan L shape, which is going to be very, very cool.